Hello everyone. So I'm gonna record day 10, which was missing because I was sick, which is Socolar Triaging, Tinsel Triage. And video is from my dfir. Okay, I don't want to say nothing weird. And Oluchi Amadi. And what is this about today? It was raining alerts. I think that summarizes pretty well. It's another dashboard where you can see information. In this case, alert triage and prioritization, Microsoft Sentinel, which is the tool that we will use, and logs, and more logs. So the previous version wasn't like this, but now they made it like this. So I'll log in and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I logged into it. This is the Microsoft Azure dashboard. They give a very good explanation here on triage and how alerts work. This is a lot of information and it's really helpful. So take a moment to read it. Okay. So let's go into the Microsoft Azure. This is actually a very cool name for a product. Good job, Microsoft. Yeah, so we have this beautiful dashboard right here. And they tell us to go to logs, custom logs. So general logs. I don't need this. Thank you, good sir. And suppose we exit this and we go to tables. We go to tables, custom logs, sys logs. Aha, no results found. Okay. Time range 7 days. Okay, we got some information. Very nice. So yeah, so this is it for this section. Let's go into the next one. So they talk a little bit about Sentinel, which is a cloud-native SIEM and SOAR platform. So a SIEM, we already know what it is. A SOAR is a little bit different. It is security, orchestration, automation, and response. It provides some more functionalities than a simple SIEM. Sentinel is specific to Azure, so it collects information from Azure services. And MaxKiddy, through Sentinel, can view and manage alerts, and so much more. So let's go into the analysis. And it tells us to go to threat management incidents. Okay. I put last 30 days. The issue was the time range. And let's go back and see what they want. So we will start by triaging a high severity incident called Linux Privesc kernel module insertion alert. And by clicking the alert, so I still can't see the kernel one. Yeah, but okay, let's open one and see what we get. So yeah, so we can see some more information about this incident. So let's follow along. We can view all details, view full details. Yeah, so they go over how understanding related alerts works. And it tells us that this helps us understand the relationship and possible sequences of events that impact the same host or user. And when multiple alerts are linked to the single entity, this probably means that it was not an isolated incident. And it can be different stages of the same intrusion. Yeah, and they give this example right here. So yeah, so now they give us the opportunity to try and search for this. So I actually opened the pull-kit exploit attempt. We can see that it affects 10 entities. What is the severity of Linux Privesc sudo shadow access? I think it's high, but let's double check. So let's go back. Okay, it seems we need to refresh every time we go here. 30 days. Yeah, which is this one, right? So it's high. It's high noon. In this case, it's high alert. Now they want to know how many accounts were added to the sudo group. Okay, it's only one number. Okay, so the answer is 4. I went here and I checked which one were accounts. So it's this 4 right here. So let's go to the next section. So if we go back to the full view, and it's the kernel module insertion, which we don't have, but we can follow along with this one. So they want us to go to events, and here we can see logs. Okay, so they want us to go into this mode, which we have, and use this query, run. And we got some events, nice. And yeah, we can see that after executing the query, it can be seen that multiple potential suspicious events occurred around the installation of the kernel module. So they copied, they added Alice, they modified the backup user account, they inserted malicious mode co module, and they successfully SSH authentication by the root user, which is very, very buddy. Okay, so that was it. Now they want us to try and do it ourselves. Let's see the events for web server 1. So we go here, we go to events. So it's this malicious mode co. Thought that it was something different, but it seems to be the same. Co. Okay, so what is the unusual command executed within web server 1 by the ops user? Okay, so now I filter it again, and they want to know what is the unusual command within blah blah blah. Let's try and find the command. Okay, so I found the ops user, finally. And the command supposedly is this one. Aha, nice. Now we need to see storage one. DDD, where it is the source IP address of the first successful SSH login. So we could maybe search for SSH. And it's this, I think. Now they want to know for app 1. And it's here. And it's the first one. So the first one was this one at 6 AM. Aha! User mod, user deploy. So it's deploy. And voila! We did it! Day 10, it's finally done. Well, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you whatever the day tomorrow is that I will put this video in. Bye bye, guys.